Hi guys, Saturday morning, and that means another park run. Hitting the road this morning, driving about an hour's north of Brisbane to a winery just outside of Dayborough. And we're going to do Ocean View Park Run today, so Trish and I will be ticking off the O on the alphabeteer challenge. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you know that Trish and I are chasing the alphabeteer challenge in parkrun. We started concentrating on it towards the end of last year. And that challenge is you run a park run starting with every letter of the alphabet except X. And if somebody ever starts a park run beginning with the letter X, they are going to be inundated, because I understand that there isn't a park run anywhere in the world that starts with X. Anyway, we're going to hit the road and go park running at Ocean View Park Run.
And watch out for the mud. I ain't got about that one.
Thank you.
Better run.
You better, mate. Hold on. Just over a K in and hilly. Stunning place to run. Very hilly. Thanks, mate. Up and down through the vineyards, which is pretty cool. And up again, and down again, up again, and down again. Yep, you guessed it. Up again. Yep, down again. Follow the red arrows and you can't go wrong. Course is really well marked, and the owners here mow the grass for where the course goes, so that's really cool. Thank you to them for allowing us to run here. It's a beautiful location. Okay, okay. There we go. Off again. Back into some shaded bushy area. Some shaded bushy area. Ready to go? Thanks, mate.
I'll try and talk. 4K in, we're just doing this last little loop, which we did at the start, just to make it up to 5K. It's a very interesting, testing little course. And back up the hill towards the finish. Thank you. On my foot, thank you. Thank you. How's that?
Great.
Good?
It was a challenge.
Challenge, all right.
How beautiful is it running between those vines?
Some vines, yes.
Did you notice the grapes on them?
No, no.
My head was pointed towards the ground too often. That was good.
How was that parkrun course? That's a testing little circuit there at Ocean View Parkrun, running through the vineyards. Ocean View, can't say that I saw an ocean view at any stage on the run, but really a stunning little setting for a parkrun, up and down hills, and great also that the owners of the winery there, they mow the track for the parkrun every week. I guess you call it a bit of a cross-country parkrun. Not as difficult as the Nambour parkrun that Trish and I did late last year, but still a really testing little track. There's not a lot of flat parts to this parkrun, but a really good mixture of grassy hills, dirt roads, running through the vines, a little bit of bitumen. I did a lot of filming, and at the end of the day, I'm pretty glad that I did do the filming, because that gave me a little bit of an opportunity to have a rest at the top of some of those hills and film some of the other runners coming up, just suffering a little bit. It was quite warm. Actually, the week before, it absolutely bucketed down with rain up there. And you can see from some of these photos from just 7 days prior how wet it was. It was still pretty steamy for this park run. I think I ran about 29:41. Turned out to be bigger park run than normal. There was a lot of visitors from Brisbane. Really welcoming parkrun community there at Ocean View. Trish and I are slowly working our way through the alphabet. Not sure where we're going to turn up next at parkrun, but it'll be a new parkrun and a new letter that we haven't done before. Let me know in the comments down below, guys, where you've been parkrunning lately. Alright guys, I'm out of here now. Hope your running's going really well. Until next time, run free, run happy, and I'll catch you in the next video.